front of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Then you need to click on sound over here, that's storage over here, and scroll down. After that, click on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you need to click on the shortcut to prevent ringing, and you can select vibrate over here by tapping on it. Then scroll down and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration and touch vibrations to switch on or off those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!